Hello guys, my name is Go Jae Young. I'm from South Korea, but I'm lumaki to the Los Angeles, California, and now I'm here in the Philippines for my long vacation. But I want to decide, I want to permanent resident in your country. You know why? Because Philippines is a very beautiful, very simple, and people is very caring, very malambing, alright, very loving. I love this. I love this attitude is good. I love Philippines, and food in the Philippines is so very nice and very yummy, delicious. I love that. I love that. So I want to decide permanent resident in the Philippines. So please support me and welcoming me in your country. Thank you very much. Thank you. Mahal ko kayo. Thank you.